Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to design chair. I make one simple design, then I will explain how to do. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Let's start. Unigraphics, file new, okay, change background, preference, background, white color, okay, then switch off auto dimension, preference, sketch, already switched off, okay, insert, sketch in dash cameraman, select top plane, XY plane, then just make one rectangular, use diagonal point, okay, select this line and center 50. I'm going to make a 100 mm square, so from center 50 mm, total length 100 mm, same like here, from center this line 50, total length 100, okay, just make fillet, just random value 25 or 25 is okay, 25 or 20 up to you, 25, just random value 25, right click, finish sketch, then click extrude, insert, design features, extrude, select the curve, then create draft angle, just use draft option from starting point, 1 degree or 5 degree, how much you want you can make. I'm use 5 degree from starting point, so I'm extrude 100 mm with the angle 5 degree, okay. This closed solid, right? So I'm going to modify this solid as a thickened surface, so I'm going to use cell surface, use cell. So in this option you can click the surface on solid, so you can change the solid into like a surface body thickness, how much you want you can change, like for example I select this face, so I change thickness to mm, so the closed solid will be changed to like a surface body with the 2 mm thickness. This is cell command, okay. Then again go to sketch option, insert, sketch in task environment, select this, select invert, select this face, okay. Just make a random dimensions, okay, just random. Then here I open, okay, just fillet. This is just a random dimension, 10 mm, 10 mm fillet, 10 mm fillet, 10 mm fillet, okay. Same like here, if you want you can 5, okay, right click, finish sketch, okay. Then again go to extrude, insert, design feature, extrude, select this line and change direction, y direction, vector, y direction, just extend, okay. Then boolean option you use subtract, then the select body, you select this body and okay, so it will be subtract. So I'm going to copy this feature at these two face, so I'm use instant features, I just click, then circular array, second one, then choose extrude 5, this one is final, right? Final we do the subtract with main body, so select extrude 5, then okay, Then select first one, general and a number. How much you want copy? I select the 2 copies from here to here, so 2 copies at the 90-degree angle, from this face to this face 90-degree angle. Then OK. Then choose point and direction. Then type select Z axis. Then OK. Then point 0 0. OK. Create instance, yes. OK. Cancel. So the feature will be copied to this face also. Okay. You just hide the data and sketch hide. Okay. Then just give the chamfer like this garbage. So insert detail features chamfer 2 mm at this sub corner. Apply. Okay. I make just one sample design only with random dimensions. Okay. These are approximate values. Okay. Visualization I am going to change. How to do I will explain. View, visualization, true shading editor. Now we are going to apply material. Wait a minute. View, visualization, true shading editor. Then select material what you want. I choose brown glossy blast. Okay. If you want change background, you can change. Use here background type. Okay. So anything you want, you can change. Okay guys, this is just a simple design for chair modeling. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for regular update videos. Thank you.